back to my channel English with Sharanya. I am Sharanya Bhattacharyya, and today we are going to talk about one of the most fundamental yet fascinating topics in English grammar, tenses. Whether you're a student or a teacher or just someone looking to sharpen their English skills, this video is for you. So without further delay, let's get started. What are tenses? Tenses are the way we express time in our sentences. They help us indicate whether something happened in the past, is happening right now, or will happen in the future. Essentially, tenses are the backbone of communication in any language. To keep things simple, English tenses are categorized into three main types based on time: past, actions or events that already happened; present, actions and events that are happening right now or the truths that are always valid; and future, the actions and events that are yet to happen. They haven't happened yet, but they might happen in the future. Each of these main tenses is further divided into 4 more aspects, giving us a total of 12 tenses. Here's a quick breakdown of the 12 tenses. Simple past or past indefinite, simple present or present indefinite, simple future or future indefinite, past continuous, present continuous, future continuous, past perfect, present perfect, future perfect, past perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Don't worry, if this sounds overwhelming, I'll simplify everything. Let's start with the simple tenses, the easiest to grasp. Simple past or past indefinite, I walked. Simple present or present indefinite, I walk. Simple future or future indefinite, I will walk. Notice how these forms give us a clear sense of when the action is happening without too much detail. Next we have the continuous tenses. These describe actions or events that are ongoing at a particular time. Past continuous, I was walking. Present continuous, I am walking. Future continuous, I will be walking. These forms help us focus on the progress of an action. Now the perfect tenses show us actions that are completed relative to another point in time. Past perfect, I had walked before it rained. Present perfect, I have walked 5 miles today. Future perfect, I will have walked 5 miles by sunset. These tenses emphasize the completion of actions. And finally, the perfect continuous tenses, which combine completion and ongoing actions. Past perfect continuous, I had been walking for an hour before it rained. Present perfect continuous, I have been walking for an hour. Future perfect continuous, I will have been walking for an hour by the time you arrive. These may sound complex, but they are just about blending the right elements of time and duration. So to recap, simple tenses show clear timing of actions. Continuous tenses show ongoing actions. Perfect tenses show completed actions. And perfect continuous tenses show actions in progress with completion. Understanding the tenses is crucial for improving your communication skills in English. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each tense with examples and exercises. And if by the time you're watching this video, those videos are already published, then I'll put the links in the I button and in the description box. So make sure to check them out. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and comment. And if you want to learn English and speak English fluently, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in my next video.